to know his boundaries. Yeah, because Mark G, he interviews people at his broadcast. After interviewing them, he start gossiping about those people. It's not good, guys, sometimes, because those people is the reason why Mark G have got 1 million something subscribers, because of those celebrities. You understand? Because he can interview those celebrities. After interviewing them, he start gossiping about them. It's not good. That's why Minnie Dlamini respond to him. Last time is another lady who was responding to him. You understand? Because that lady says she gives him many views, 1 million views. You understand? Guys, Mark G have to know his boundaries, because those celebrities is the reason why he puts food on the table. You understand? Last time he was gossiping about Sonia Mbele's son, what, about Gogo Scotten with 2S more. You understand? Because, guys, sometimes look at other broadcasts, look at DJ Spoo, look at King David. David doesn't gossip about other people, doesn't gossip about other celebrities. You understand? He minds his own business, because tomorrow he knows that tomorrow he wants to work with those people. You understand? Like King David, DJ Spoo, they don't gossip about other people when they are interviewing other celebrities. But Mark G, when he is interviewing other celebrities, we don't know his interview sometimes, because guys, it's very toxic sometimes, because he wants attention, but tomorrow he is end up losing people. Because, guys, without those interviews, Mark G, he doesn't have nothing. You understand? Without those celebrities, because, guys, you can interview you, because those celebrities, they take their time to come to his broadcast. You understand? It's not about there is nothing to do. There is, because, guys, nowadays people, they are so busy. You understand? Because when I give you my time, or 1 hour or 30 minutes, it's too much. You have to appreciate that. After your interview, you start gossiping about those people. It's not good. You understand? Because when a person says, okay, I'm not busy, come and interview me, because I don't think Mike G, he pays those celebrities to interview them. He interviewing them for free. He doesn't give anything. The person who is benefiting to those interviews is Mike G. You understand? He have to know. That's why Minnie Dlamini respond to him. That's why Minnie Dlamini respond to Mike G. Because sometimes,